So this is the remaining part of the first flight, chapter number 1, A Letter to God. The following Sunday at daybreak he began to write a letter which he himself would carry to the town and place in the mail. It was nothing less than a letter to God. Daybreak means sunrise. So this was his plan. He himself wrote a letter and took it to the town and placed it in a mail. So what did he write in the mail? He wrote, God, if you don't help me, my family and I will go hungry this year. I need 100 pesos. Pesos is the currency of many Latin American countries. So he needed 100 pesos in order to sow his field. He says, I need 100 pesos in order to sow my field again and to live until the crop comes because of the hailstorm. So as you can see in the image, those colored parts are the parts in which this currency is used. In his letter, he requests God to give him 100 pesos in order to bring the seed and put them again in the soil, or you can say sow them and get the crops. So what he mentioned on the envelope, he wrote to God on the envelope and put the letter inside, and still trouble. Went to the town. At the post office he placed a stamp on the letter and dropped it into the mailbox. So here it is telling the process what he did. He just wrote a letter, put it in the envelope, and then put the letter in his pocket and went to the town and posted it in the mailbox after putting a stamp on it. And this letter was to God. So one of the employees who was a postman and also helped at the post office went to his boss laughing heartily and showed him the letter to God. Never in his career as a postman had he known that address. Now this employee took the letter to his boss and he was laughing like anything. He indicated the address and laughed, and he said, this is the first time I have seen this in my career that someone has written a letter to God. So the postmaster, a fat, amiable fellow, also broke out laughing, but almost immediately he turned serious and tapping the letter on his desk, commented, what faith! I wish I had the faith of the man who wrote this letter, starting up a correspondence with God. Now here amiable means having a pleasant or friendly manner, and correspondence means communication by exchanging of letter. Now यहाँ पर जो postman है, he is a very friendly looking man. At first when he receives the letter, he broke out laughing. But at the same time he turned very serious. He thought of the man's faith, and it shows that what kind of man Sancho was. So in order not to shake the writer's faith in God, the postmaster came up with an idea, answer the letter. But when he opened it, it was evident that to answer it he needed something more than goodwill, ink and paper. So the postmaster did not want to shake the faith of or break the faith of this man. When he opened the letter, he came to know that more than ink and paper he needs something else too. That was a goodwill. Goodwill means 100 pesos, which was required by the man. But he stuck to his resolution. He asked for money from his employees. He himself gave a part of his salary, and several friends of his were obliged to give some for an act of charity. Resolution means decision. When the man realized that he need 100 pesos to help this man, he did not change his decision but asked all the employees to collect the money, and even he gave a part of his salary, and he asked his several friends to help him because somehow he wanted to help this man and maintain his trust on God. He wanted to collect more and more money from his side and give it to this man. So from this we come to know that जैसा कि इसका टाइटल है, चैप्टर का टाइटल है अ लेटर टू गॉड, तो भगवान के रूप में कोई भी इंसान आपकी मदद करने आ सकता है. मैं थिंक दैट भगवान आपकी मदद करेंगे, लेकिन यहाँ पर जो लोग हैं वही भगवान का रूप ले करके दूसरों की मदद करते हैं. और इस स्टोरी में मैसेंजर कौन है, भगवान का रूप लेके कौन आया है? पोस्ट मास्टर. It was impossible for him to gather together 100 pesos, so he was able to send the farmer only a little more than half. He put the money in an envelope addressed to Lencho, and with it a letter containing only a single word as signature, God. So 100 pesos was a big sum for him. What he did, he collected money from all, but he hardly succeeded in collecting only more than half of it, means 70 pesos. Then he put the address and he signed it as God. So this is the remaining part of the first flight, chapter number 1.